I've seen.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tarot with Moon Empress. And in today's video we are going to be seeing how do people perceive you. So this could be how your friends, people around you, your crush, or just people in general perceive you to be. So we are going to be having 3 piles this time: pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Also guys, I'd like you to know that this is going to be a short reading, so please don't expect anything too long. This is a short mini reading for y'all to understand how do people perceive you. So let's get into the video. So for those who've chosen pile 1, hi my loves. And based on what I see over here, how do people perceive you? First, what I can see is you're someone who is very emotional, and people are aware that you're a very emotional person. People perceive you as someone who is emotional, optimistic, someone who is creative, someone who cares about how the other person is feeling. They know you're the person to go to if they have a problem in their life. Like, you're the type of person who always has quick fix solutions to everything. Like, got a problem, I got you. You're like that. I see that people like your vibe. People feel very happy around you. I also see that you're the star with the star card over here. Like, that's the word I'm getting for y'all. You like attention. You surely do like attention. You like it when people appreciate you. And I also see that people appreciate you because 2 things: the wisdom you hold, second, for your optimism and your kindness. These are 3 things, by the way. Why did I say 2? Okay, so 3 things: your wisdom, your optimism, and your kindness. People love and appreciate the fact that you're grounded despite being someone who holds so much of wisdom. You hold knowledge, pile 1. You're a knowledgeable person. You know what you're doing. If you like something, you're just going to get to the depth of it. You're just gonna go to the core of the thing. Yeah. You're someone who doesn't, you're not someone who would threaten someone ki, oh, you did this, I'm gonna do that to you. You seem like someone who's just going to stay silent because you know your power. There's this saying, like a friend of mine used to say that गरजने वाले बरसते नहीं हैं. So you're the type of person जो बरसता है. You're not all talk and no action. You're not that type of a person. You know your stuff. You know what power you hold. You also understand the dualities of life. Okay, you are someone who understands that things are not always black or white. There are gray areas, and you know how to navigate through those gray areas very well. I also see that your optimism is your biggest power over here. Since you're an optimistic person, you don't like being stuck in situations. If you ever find yourself in a negative situation, you get out of it with your optimism, with your hopefulness. I also see that you're a great communicator. You know how to communicate well, your ideas, your creativity. Also, I see you're someone who is very creative, and since you communicate so well, you bring those ideas into life very well. And when you start an endeavor, you make sure that, why did it sound like underwear? Endeavor. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, okay. One thing y'all don't know about me: I suck at pronouncing things. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce shit. This is so embarrassing. Oh my god. Anyway, So whenever, okay, I'm just going to change the word because my vocabulary probably sucks. So what I see over here is whenever you do something, you do it wholeheartedly. You put your heart and soul into that thing when you're doing it. Let's just say you're working on a project. You're not just going to be like, oh, I'm doing because I have to do it. You're someone who is going to put your heart and soul into it. You're going to work really hard. I'm seeing that you're someone जिसको दिल से काम करना पसंद है. You know what I mean? Someone like that. And people love that quality about you. Also, we have the magician here, bottom of the deck energy. So what I see over here is your strength is you're a creator. You can create what you want. You have the power in your hands and you're limitless. Please guys, if you ever feel that you're sad and you don't know what to do, just remember what I said. You are limitless. No one can stop you. You are literally the creator of things. So please don't ever underestimate yourself, okay? So my dear Pile 1, I also see that people perceive you as someone who is a free thinker. You are someone who is, like I said, you are a creative person. You are someone who likes to think out of the box. You don't conform to the social norms and you like to do things your way. I also see that you are a very enthusiastic person. You're full of passion and you're full of fire. When you want to do something, you just do it with, so much of enthusiasm and passion. So yeah, that is something I see about you, which is very great, by the way. Also, I'm seeing Pile 1 that you're someone who is highly intuitive. I don't know, but I also feel that someone here could be into tarot, or like someone here is very spiritual. I'm getting those vibes surely. My nose is just itching. I'm so sorry. I do not wish to get distracted. I'm so sorry. Anyway, like I was saying, I can see that someone here might be into tarot, or someone here is very spiritual, which is a great thing, and you do trust your intuition. If you're someone who haven't been doing that, this is a sign for you to please trust your intuition, okay? Because your intuition never lies to you. Also, a mini guidance for you, Pile 1. If you ever find yourself in a situation that you have no answer to, just pray to God and trust your intuition on that, okay? Because I can see over here that your intuition will lead you to success. So if you ever get, like, let's just say it's about your career, you get an idea, so make sure when you get that idea, you add your creativity and free thinking to it, because the idea, it stems from your intuition, okay? Like, let's just say you're someone who is doing tarot and you just feel like, oh, maybe I should start like a YouTube channel. You should do that. You should really, really do that, because that will bring you lots and lots of success. And I also see that you over here, you have like a very attractive aura. That's great, honestly. So people are drawn to you. People are drawn to your enthusiasm. You have this very young energy to you. It doesn't matter how old you are. Like, you could be in your 50s and you could still have like a very young energy to you. Lots of that passion and enthusiasm to it. So yeah, people are drawn to that energy. People love that energy. People find you very attractive. So yeah, Pile 1, these are some of the things I'm getting for you. So Pile 1, this is how people perceive you. I hope this resonated with you. Please do let me know in the comments below if this pile resonated with you or not. And make sure you've subscribed to this channel. I love you all so much. Bye bye. So for those who've chosen Pile 2, hi my loves, this is the reading for you, and the topic of our reading is how do people perceive you. So let's get into it. Pile 2, what I see over here is You guys have a childlike energy to you, okay? You are someone who is a happy-go-lucky kind of a person. You are sunshine in human form. I mean, if I had to put it, that's how I'd like to put it. Your energy is very bright and radiant. You are someone, who likes to, well, how do I put this? If you're someone who enters a room, that room fills with positivity, okay? Like you bring that positive vibe into people's lives, okay? And you're someone who likes to make decisions with your heart rather than your mind. People feel connected to you, okay? You treat everyone as if they are your soulmate. I think you're just someone who is like a very kind and caring person, and you are someone who makes the other person feel secure in your presence, okay? You are someone who knows how to truly take care of the person. You would be someone who is like the mother friend of the group. That's how I'd say, how a mother is very protective for her children. She provides that, sense of stability and security. You're that person. I also say that you could be like an earth sign, but I don't do signs because I believe a person has all the signs in their birth charts, and if you look at your sun, moon, rising, Venus, you are going to find multiple signs. So I don't do the sign thing, honestly. I don't see a point in doing that. I'm sorry if you're someone who likes people telling you about what possible signs could be, but I'm just not that person. Please bear with me. So like I said, you have a childlike energy to you. But again, the pros and cons of this energy is you're a very stubborn person, pile too. I see you don't like change, okay? You try to resist change. You're not someone who is very flexible. You are very stubborn, surely. And you like to hold your ground. You don't give up easily. So this stubbornness is something which is like a positive in you because you don't like giving up easily, but is also negative because if you look at it, you're just closed off to new experiences and new things. You could also be someone who has control issues over here, but take what resonates, okay? Because this is a general reading for the collective, so it may or may not resonate with you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. One more thing for you, pile 2, is you are someone who makes people question things. You make people question stuff about their life. Like, let's just say you have a friend going through stuff. You will make that friend question, what are you doing? Is this right for you? You will make them question their path, the path they have chosen for themselves. So you push people into deep introspection about who they are. You push people into becoming the best version of themselves. Pile 2, you are someone who is a very strong person because whatever life throws at you, you just try to balance it out. For others, it might seem that you handle it very effortlessly, but only you know how difficult it is for you. Other people must be like, oh, pile 2 handles all the things thrown at them so easily and effortlessly, but you know how much of mental stress and all the stuff it costed you. Also, pile 2 people perceive you as someone who is a strong-willed person. Like I said, you don't give up easily, whether be it in an argument or on the people you love. You don't like giving up. You fight till the very end. Pile 2, you are divinely guided and protected. I want you to know that, okay? Okay, so I just checked. This is the bottom of the deck, which is the Fool over here. And if you are someone who is very stubborn, then pile 2, this is a sign for you to let go of your control issues, and sometimes it's just the best for you to step into the unknown. So if you're someone who is scared to step into the unknown, this is a sign for you to release that control and have faith in God, believe in the higher power, and just take a leap of faith. Then be it in your career, your relationships, or just in your life, don't be scared. Don't hold yourself back. You have so much of potential and so much of power, pile 2. You know how to balance things, okay? I'm getting Libra energy over here. Why am I going into science all of a sudden? I don't get it. I did not say that for pile 1 at all. But I'm saying it for you guys. So yeah, you really know how to maintain a balance, and that's why you shouldn't be scared to step into the unknown, because if life is throwing you into something which may not seem easy at first, I know you're going to navigate that thing very effortlessly, although it might not be easy for you in the beginning, but later on you're going to be just fine. So don't worry, pile 2, you're an amazing person. I also see pile 2, you're someone who is very grounded. So you're not shaken easily. Even if you have external influences, trying to shake you up, you're not someone who is moved by them very easily. You're someone who likes to stay humble. You're someone who keeps their head high, but at the same time, you're not egoistic about it. You're very protective towards your friends. This is what I'm getting. And you're someone who is a very protective person in general. You're someone who people rely on. So for the question, how do people perceive you? They perceive you as someone they can rely on, which is honestly a very, very big thing. Because not everyone is a reliable person, okay? So yeah, this is what I'm getting for you guys, pile 2. I hope this reading resonated with you, and please do let me know in the comments below if it resonated with you, and make sure you have subscribed to this channel. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. So for those who've chosen pile 3, this is the reading for you guys. Hi my loves. Let's get into your reading. Okay, wow, this is crazy. So pile 3, listen my loves, okay? You are not a person. You are a goddess. Like, if you're a man watching this, and you're a god, okay? People perceive you as someone who has this very divine aura to them, okay? People perceive you as the empress. I mean, what else do I have to say now? People perceive you as someone who has it all. I see you, pile 3, as being someone who is very generous, who loves to give. You're a giver. I also see you being the life of the party. That's how people perceive you. People perceive you as someone who is the life of the party, who loves to enjoy things. You could be someone who loves spending time with their friends, or just, you love to enjoy life. You live your life, or you at least love enjoying stuff, get-togethers and all that. You have a very emotional outlook on life. You truly value friendships and connections in your life. Pile 3, I also see that currently you could be on a path of soul searching right now. You could be on a journey, a spiritual journey in your life, and you're walking on that path currently. You hold so much of inner wisdom. I feel you should check out pile 1 as well, because I'm getting similar vibes. But okay, whatever works for you. So yeah, pile 3, you are someone who holds lots of inner wisdom. and people love that about you. People really appreciate the fact that you're someone who holds so much of wisdom, and you're this someone who is very radiant. Like, I'm out of words, y'all. Oh my god, I love this energy. I also see one thing about you, pile 3, that you're someone who is very chilled, very relaxed. But when you get mad, when you're angry, it's crazy. You literally shake things up. Okay, pile 3. Pile 3, you are the type of person who can bring a change. Okay? Please do not underestimate yourself. You are capable of bringing great changes. You shake up people's lives, okay? That's how much power you hold, especially when you're angry. So that is one thing I'm getting about you. Another thing over here is people, when they talk to you, when they meet you, they feel emotionally satisfied being in your presence. They feel very happy and just emotionally content. Like, they feel a sense of relief when they're around you. And I also see that people must love being around you. I wouldn't say if you're an introvert or an extrovert, but for most of the people, I am getting that you're an extrovert. You could be an ambivert, but seriously, this is a general reading for the collective. So, like, take what resonates and leave the rest. Don't stress yourself out, okay, if this doesn't resonate with you. I'm just saying the possibilities. Also, pile 3, people perceive you as someone who loves taking care of themselves. You like dressing up. You're someone who is very, very beautiful. You could have brownish ginger brown hair, but like I said, this is a general reading, so it may not resonate with everyone. But let me know if there is anyone who has like ginger brown hair. Pile 3, you remind me of my mom. I feel like I'm doing this reading for my mama. That's how she is. She gives the Empress energy to me, honestly. So yeah, and pile 3, you, like I said, you're a very generous person. You like giving. I also see that you're very caring, and you do care about other people a lot. And that just makes you stand out from the crowd, because normally, if we see, people are selfish these days. People only think about themselves, care about themselves. But you're not like that. Wow, this is nice. You like attention. Pile 3, you enjoy attention, and people know that. People know that you like attention. You like being, the center of attraction always, which is a good thing, but don't let it get into your head, because most of the people, sometimes when they get so much of attention, they just feel, oh, the world revolves around me. But make sure you don't go on the negative side of that. But yeah, pile 3, I also see that people are jealous of you. Okay, there are people who don't like the fact that other people like you. So you surely have some haters over here. Be careful. And you could also have some haters in disguise. Like, let's just say there could be someone who appreciates you on your face, but behind your back they're like, oh, she's such a bitch, or oh, she thinks of herself who is someone very great, but she's not that great. And on your face they're gonna be like, oh my god, you're so amazing, I love you. Those two-faced people. So make sure you protect yourself, you protect your energy. Also, pile 3, the bottom of the deck for you is the Star. So I want you guys to know, if you ever find yourself in a situation, you need to be optimistic. Okay, I know you're someone who is optimistic and amazing, okay, but there are times I'm sorry. sorry. There are times when a person tends to lose hope. So please don't lose hope. You're a star, pile 3. And I think, I think I said this previously, but you should definitely check out pile 1, okay? I think pile 1 will resonate with you. So yeah, this is all I'm getting for you, pile 3. I hope this reading helped you all, and please do let me know in the comments below if this reading resonated with you. And see you guys next time. Bye.